Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. It's bulb planting time now for spring flowering bulbs, corms and tubers. And I like dwarf tulips in pots. You know, they're more compact, they don't flop over as much as their taller counterparts. There's a lovely variety called Fashion, nice two-tone. And this is Preston's Paradox, which has got red flowers and very colourful foliage. The variety I like is this one, is a variety called Toronto. Toronto is a good strong grower. Now they're planted down, the bulbs themselves, down at least twice the depth of the bulbs themselves. So the top layer can be down twice the depth, which is around roughly, I suppose, about 5 inches. And you can put another layer down around 8 or 9 inches. The bottom layer will flower after the top layer, so you're going to get a great succession of flowering time. That's Toronto, Fashion, and Preston's Paradox, all great varieties. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.